And as INDIA MPs plan to move a no-confidence motion against Jagdeep Dhankar, it's Union Minister Kiren Rijiju who's launching a fresh attack on Rahul Gandhi. And this time he's attacking Rahul Gandhi for the repeated disruptions in Parliament. Kiren Rijiju is accusing Rahul Gandhi of enjoying the drama caused by the ongoing parliamentary deadlock. He has slammed Congress leaders for blocking the Parliament's proceedings. Let me go across to Pratibha. Pratibha, take us through what Kiren Rijiju has to say because, Kiren Rijiju is also speaking. Before we go across to what Kiren Rijiju said on Twitter, let's listen into what the minister now has to say.
डिबेट और डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेशन होने से संसद का गरिमा को भी रखता है और साथ साथ में बिल और जो भी बिजनेस है उसमें भी फायदा होता है। हम चाहते हैं कि सारा एमपीज अपने अपने मत रखे हैं सदन में। तो मैंने सबको कहा है, खास करके जो उनके कांग्रेस और कुछ दलों को मैंने कहा है कि आप लोग चर्चा चाहते हैं तो राहुल गांधी का समझाओ, वो समझते नहीं है। तो राहुल गांधी के चपेट में कांग्रेस लोग आ गए हैं तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं। लेकिन नुकसान तो देखिए, ये जो अपोजिशन एमपीस है उनको वो ज्यादा नुकसान हो रहा है क्योंकि वो अपना बात नहीं रख पा रहा है। सरकार तो चाहेगा तो बिजनेस तो पारित कर ही लेंगे, हमारे पास मेजोरिटी है। हम इसलिए बुलडोज नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि चर्चा हो। तो ये समझना चाहिए, हम चाहते हैं कि पार्लियामेंट चले। मैं फिर से अपील करता हूं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के जो एमपीस हैं जो चर्चा चाहते हैं, हाउस में डिबेट डिस्कशन में हिस्सा लेने चाहते हैं, सब लोग जाके राहुल गांधी को समझाए कि ये बचकाना, ये नाटकीय जो हर दिन वो करते रहते हैं वो बंद करें और फिर हाउस में आकर के हाउस चलाने में मदद करें।
ये बचपना और ये नाटक बंद करिए. That's what the Parliamentary Affairs Minister has to say to Rahul Gandhi. Let the House function. What's also interesting here, Pratibha, is that the Parliamentary Affairs Minister has gone on to highlight that how there are MPs of the Congress party itself who are in favor of a debate, who are in favor of a discussion, but because Rahul Gandhi is blazing ahead with his agenda, which is these protests on the Adani issue, the House is not able to function because of repeated disruptions. Take us through what Kiren Rijiju is saying on social media platform X.
Rahul Gandhi holding him solely responsible for the disruptions in the parliament. Here's what he says on social media X. He says Rahul Gandhi enjoys creating a tamasha and abusing the Prime Minister. But other MPs have responsibilities towards the people who have elected them. All he has to do is create a tamasha here and then go abroad to enjoy his holidays. And that's not the only tweet. Previously as well, he has tweeted and he has gone on to say that there are other MPs who want the House to function. He says Samajwadi Party, the TMC, all Congress MPs in Rajya Sabha and some Congress MPs in Lok Sabha, many party MPs are really interested to participate in the parliament debate and discussion. Rahul Gandhi ji has nothing to lose because he can't feel people's pain and problem, but the other MPs do. So saying that the other MPs want a discussion, but it's Rahul Gandhi who doesn't.
All right. So the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister and top leaders of the BJP are now accusing the leader of opposition of the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, of orchestrating a drama in the parliament. And by that he's also saying, Kiren Rijiju also says that Rahul Gandhi enjoys this drama which is causing disruption of parliamentary proceedings. He enjoys this drama, he likes abusing the Prime Minister, and then as per the BJP, Rahul Gandhi then takes off for his foreign holidays and lets parliamentary proceedings, be sabotaged in this way. That's the charge coming in from the BJP. Kiren Rijiju also saying, ye nautanki aur ye bachpana band kariye. So the bachpana jibe now coming in from the top leaders of the BJP. Yesterday, it was allies of the Congress party who had accused Rahul Gandhi of being a 55-year-old man-child. Let me go across to Mohit Bhatt. Mohit, the government and top MPs are constantly criticizing the Congress party and Congress MPs of disrupting the parliament and not letting the House function. The Congress on its part is saying that the BJP is running away from pressing issues. How do you think the blame game is now going to pan out with the Congress sticking to its Adani protests?